Hello everyone, welcome to the live stream for mechanical machine manufacturing. Today I will introduce these three models of grinding tools. This one is for CAT320D pump delivery valve and inlet valve. This one is for the plunger and the outlet valve. This one is for CAT320D pump head router. Today I will mainly introduce this tool, grinding tool for the head router. First, we need to prepare the tools we need. Grinding knuckle knife, 1 piece. Grinding cold rod, 1 piece. Grinding fish shifter ring, 5 pieces. And this grinding paste, 1 piece. Okay, next I will introduce how to use it. First, remove the spray, plunger, and the inlet valve. Then place the fish shifter ring on the grinding core. And strike it with the knuckle knife. Okay, next we will use this grinding paste. Okay, and manually grind. For these tools, we can offer these parts separately. We can offer you the better price because we have our own production line and factory. In addition to these tools, our company offers a wide range of products, such as the diesel injector and pump test bench, diesel injector, diesel pump assembly, delivery valve, and router, and plunger, and more. We can offer you a better price, better quality, and the longer warranty for you. For the nozzles and the injectors, we can offer this package, top diesel package. And the DIP package. DIP means diesel injection path. DTCM package for the injector. And DIP package for the injector. Okay.
Okay, if you're interested in our products, please contact our manager. These are our website, and you can download our book app. Okay.
That's all for today. Thank you for your watching. Bye.
Bye.